Welcome back once again to CBSE Board Economics. I'm Saddam Hussain. Today we carry on with the chapter Employment. This is the third part of the chapter Employment. Don't forget to watch the earlier two parts, since this unit or the chapter is huge, big. We divide it into three parts: employment part 1, employment part 2, employment part 3. So when you go through all the three chapters or the three parts of this chapter, you would be able to understand complete unit or the chapter. Today in this chapter, we will be discussing three important questions. Let's start. The first question you have is, what exactly is unemployment and what are the different kinds of unemployment? What exactly is unemployment? Unemployment means the people who are willing to work, unable to work at the existing wage rate, do not get the jobs. That's unemployment. In economics, unemployment is defined as the people who are willing to work, unable to work at the existing rate, do not find jobs. That means they are qualified, they are ready to work, they are ready to give their physical work or ready to give mental work, they are ready to sacrifice their time and to earn some livelihood, but they do not get jobs. Mind it, in India, mostly we have this kind of unemployment. Unemployment means the people who are willing to work and able to work at the existing wage rate, they do not get the jobs. In India, we have three kinds of unemployment. Number one, disguised unemployment. What exactly is disguised unemployment? Disguised unemployment mostly we see in rural areas, in villages. What exactly is disguised unemployment? In case of disguised unemployment, they engage more people than what is required. If there are 10 people are required, they have engaged 100 laborers. Mostly in villages, what do people do? They have no industries, they have no other jobs to do, so all of them work in agriculture. Practically speaking, we don't require them, we don't need. That's disguised unemployment. More people are engaged than what is required. Instead of working on agriculture, if these people are put it into industries, we'll be able to increase the GDP of the country. That is disguised unemployment. More people are employed than what exactly is required. The second one is this is the one we go by, the seasonal employment. What exactly is seasonal employment? In case of seasonal, this also happens in case of agriculture sector. In agriculture sector, most of the they don't get the employment throughout the year. They get employment seasonally, only when there is a rainfall. So only when they're harvesting season, people get employed, otherwise they remain mostly unemployed. That is seasonal employment. When people get job or employment only during particular seasons, we call it as seasonal unemployment. The last is open unemployment, which I gave you in the beginning. What exactly is open unemployment? In this case, people who are willing to work and able to work do not find the jobs. Why do we have open unemployment? Maybe we do not have so much industrial growth. Maybe do not have so many industries to employ people who migrate from rural areas to the cities, and we do not have employment opportunities. So that's exactly we have open unemployment. So what exactly is unemployment? I repeat once again, unemployment means the people who are willing to work and able to work at the existing wage rate do not get the jobs. There are three kinds of unemployment, three kinds. Number one is disguised unemployment. To put it in one line, disguised unemployment means more people are engaged than what is required. This happens mostly in case of agriculture. Number 2, seasonal unemployment. This also happens mostly in case of agriculture, where they find jobs only during certain seasons like rainfall, harvesting season or something. Open unemployment, this happens because of lack of industrial growth, lack of infrastructural development, where people remain unemployed even though they are willing to work. That's all we have time for this short video. Till we meet next time, it's goodbye. But don't forget to subscribe, share and like our videos. The notes for this chapter or the PDF file is given in the description box. Please copy from there in your notebooks and learn. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.